I hope my sisters have found the creature within their gem. They don't know that we will be facing a great war soon.
Vega, I can see it in my eyes that the event I have told you is about to commence. You need to unleash your power in your creatures so that we can survive this catastrophe. One more thing. I can see a darker power than ever. I can see that Mythologia cannot survive this if you can control all your powers. You, together with your sisters, are the only way for us to survive this. Eva Live, Mythologia!
Thank you so much, Zaida. I hope the curse that was vested in you will be lifted so you can help us too. Avisala Eshma. Erjem, I need you to help me. The whole kingdom is at risk. I need you to show me who can help me to unleash the creatures within you. Show me your power! Thank you, Erjem. Can you show me what message can that mortal give me to find the creatures?
You may have defects, be anxious, and sometimes live irritated. But do not forget that your life is the greatest enterprise in the world. Only you can prevent it from going into decadence. There are many that need you, admire you, and love you. I would like to remind you that being happy is not having a sky without storms, or roads without accidents, or work without fatigue, or relationships without disappointments. Being happy is finding strength in forgiveness, hope in one's battles, security at the stage of fear, love in disagreements. Being happy is not only to treasure the smile, but that you also reflect on the sadness. It is not just commemorating the event, but also learning lessons in failures. It is not just having joy with applause, but also having joy in anonymity. Being happy is to recognize that it is worthwhile to live, despite all the challenges, misunderstandings, and times of crisis. Being happy is not an inevitable fate, but a victory for those who can travel towards it with your own being. Being happy is to stop being a victim of problems, but become an actor in history itself. It is not only to cross the deserts outside of ourselves, but still more to be able to find an oasis in the recesses of our soul. It is to thank God every morning for the miracle of life. Being happy is not being afraid of one's feelings. It is to know how to talk about ourselves. It is to bear with courage when hearing a no. It is to have the security when to receive a criticism, even if it's unfair. It is to kiss the children, pamper the parents, have poetic moments with friends, even if they have hurt us. Being happy means allowing the free happy and simple child inside each of us to live. Having the maturity to say, I was wrong. Having the audacity to say, forgive me. It is to have sensitivity in expressing, I need you. To have the ability of saying, I love you. So that your life can be a garden full of opportunities for being happy. In your springtime, may you become a lover of joy. In your winter, may you become a friend of wisdom. And when you go wrong along the way, you start all over again. Thus, you will be more passionate about life. And you will find that happiness is not having a perfect life, but about using tears to water tolerance, losses to refine patience, failures to carve serenity, pain to lapidate pleasure, obstacles to open the windows of intelligence. Never give up. Never give up on the people you love. Never give up from being happy. Because life is an incredible show. And you are a special human being. Inspirational Reflection on Happiness by Lloyd Luna.
Now I know how to unleash the creatures within you. By the life and breath that you give us, let your mercy bestowed upon us. Ibi conterenti.
The daughter of the trickster god Loki and the mother of monsters, Anger Book. I am Hel, the goddess of death. Surrender yourself to me, and you can join my conquest in ruling all over others. Some might think I am greedy, harsh, and cruel, but that is true. However, you can join my conquest, no matter if you're leaving or dead. They banished me. Odin sent me to the underworld through the fear of this parentage and prophecies of the rule that he would bring the future destruction. It was Odin the chief of Aether, who throw me down from the sky to the depths of the underworld. I made the underworld into my own will and crowned myself as the queen of hell.
How is everyone doing? I heard there's a woman. A goddess rather. That symbolizes death? Is it the goddess of death? Well, I am the goddess of death, and my name is Hell. I am the daughter of the trickster god Loki, and the bringer of sorrow, ang Burgada. Fenrir, the bane of gods, is my sister, and Homogalder, the great beast, is my brother. I was appointed by the king of gods, Adam, to rule over the underworld. As I rule the underworld, they say that I am evil. Ha! That's I am harsh, cruel, and brave. I don't forgive everyone. And I also don't give chances without questions. My name's meaning is hidden. Something to do with the underworld. And the dead being hidden or where it meets the ground. Then I have the goddess of death, the queen.
It's come to my attention that you don't know who I am. Far to the north, through ice and snow, there's a realm in the dark of the underground, hidden deep below, where we all must go. Is the land the dead and frozen? I am Hell, master of the underworld, goddess of death. With the eternal flame, you are reborn, sovereign of the mortals. When I was young, every great king had an executioner, not just to execute people, but also to execute